Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to view your saved reels on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, you'll see a list of options. Under that How You Use Instagram section, tap on Saved. In the Saved section, you'll find different collections or folders if you've organized your saved items. If you have a folder for Reels or videos, just open it to view your saved Reels. If you haven't created any folders, tap on All Posts. Here, you'll see all your saved items in one place, including posts, videos, and Reels. To view only your Reels, select the Reels tab at the top. And that's it. Now you can enjoy all the Reels you've saved previously on Instagram. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips.